Good afternoon. My name is Ibrahim Maidi Haruna, a civil engineer from Ministry of Works and Infrastructure. I'm here on the trainee drone deploy being organized by Geo Infotech. The overall part having this training today has to do with simplicity of workflow regarding mapping, taking point for corridor, perimeter development as well as corridor. The exercise exposes us to a lot of shortcomings that we have been having regarding manual design in relation to technology. So overall, I think it simplifies a lot of things and it shows how we can manage time in time delivery.